Hey, how you been, guys? Let's talk about a topic I have never talked about. HRT, the thing that makes you feel extra cunty, become very feminine, smooth and soft. Yes, so girly, yes. Anyways, I'm gonna talk about the physical changes and mental changes. I've been on hormones for 8 years now, which is crazy as long, but it usually takes 2 years to fully transition, 2 or 3 years to fully transition physically. And the main thing you're gonna notice, the first thing you're gonna notice is your skin. It's gonna become more softer. It's more softer and less oily. You see, like mine's, like all the oiliness went away. And also another thing you're gonna notice, it's the body hair's gonna go down. And yeah, nowadays I'm growing like barely any hair on my body, and also facial hair that also went down. The hair on your head can maybe get a little thinner, so it gets easily damaged nowadays that I bleach it and all that. But yeah, what else? And it can affect your body odor also. It's like you just smell different, and also another thing I noticed is that you can also smell people from a distance, especially dudes. I don't know why, but you can sort of change your attraction. That's from my personal experience. I tend to have more of like curious tendencies nowadays. And also, by the way, when you start hormones, my doctor instructed to put the estradiol. I've been taking 3 milligrams every day. Just to put the estradiol pill under your tongue, and that's how you absorb it directly without having it to go through the liver. And also been taking spironolactone. That's a testosterone blocker. What else? When you first start hormones, also another thing you're gonna notice is that you're gonna gain a lot of weight. Since your body's not used to taking estrogen, that's gonna make you gain a lot of weight. Like I gain a lot of weight here by my waist, also here by my neck. Like I lost almost an inch right here by my neck. The muscles became softer. It's like I used to be pretty strong and muscular, and I'm all soft. It just become weaker, like muscular wise. And what else? Mentally, when I first started hormones, one of the main things that I noticed is that you just feel more calm and happy. You no longer have that cocky, aggressive behavior that like dudes tend to have. It's like you just feel more relaxed, and yeah, it's like you're also more in tune with your emotions. Like anything you experience, watch a movie or whatever, you can just get emotional over anything. It's just crazy. You pick up emotions. Like I noticed, like I guess my emotional intelligence went up. Maybe it's like you can just read people easily. Just pay more attention to those things. Versus back then, I used to not pay attention to those things. What else? And during sex, I would say when I'm having sex mentally, I tend to get pretty distracted. And like, my mind just wanders off for some reason. I'm guessing that's related because of the low sex drive. But it's like yeah, feel free to ask me any questions if I missed anything about. If you wanna see how I look, all natural booty right here. Yes. Like, this will get more fat right here on the legs. I guess the arms become more wobbly too. You see? Yeah. What else? But yeah. Make sure y'all rate, comment, subscribe, guys. And stay fabulous, honey.